Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering down and unplugging the machine to prevent accidental rotation. Raise the needle and presser foot so components align and remove the throat plate and bobbin case to expose the feed area. This clears access. Use a flashlight to locate the stuck thread and have tweezers and a seam ripper at hand. Once those first access steps are complete, you'll be able to trace the thread path visually and avoid cutting tension springs accidentally while proceeding. Once you can see the thread path, trace it slowly from spool to needle, watching for loops around the take-up lever or caught-tail under the feed dogs. Make sure to release the tension discs gently so you don't snap the thread. This allows slack to be pulled back through. Use tweezers to extract tight bits and a seam ripper for threads wrapped into tight crevices. While doing this, clean lint from the shuttle hook and race so movement is restored. After removing all loose thread and cleaning, reinstall the bobbin case and throat plate, then rethread the top thread following the machine's path carefully so tension is correct. Lower the presser foot and power up. Hand turn the flywheel to confirm smooth, snag-free motion before running fabric. If the machine still jams, check needle alignment and timing. Bent needles or mistimed hooks often recatch thread. If timing seems off, stop and consult the manual or a technician to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.